friends, my name is Ashley and I am a blogger and part-time seller on the Poshmark app. You can find my closet and my Instagram at AshleyDTL. We're sitting here today in my very glamorous spot that's right next to my washer and dryer because I went thrifting this afternoon. It's actually New Year's Eve when I'm recording this, and I decided today that I didn't really feel like going out tonight, but I would take my chances and do a little bit of thrifting this afternoon, and I thought I would show you what I got. When I thrift, what I do is I bring everything home and I literally sit here in my little spot before I launder everything, and I take stock of everything. I write down what it was, how much I paid for it, the size, and just like take a look at the item before I take the label off, just to make sure that everything is good to go. Sometimes in the thrift store you don't necessarily see if there's a flaw, if there's a tear, and you know, just having a better look before things get laundered gives you a better idea of where the item is actually at. So that's what I just did right now, and I have a notepad next to me and I just write down all of those details, so the name of the item, how much I paid, the size, and if I start to look it up, like what the item is called, and then I'll launder everything, and then I'll write down my comps. And so I will share the comparable listings or what these items, similar items, have sold for with you as well. And let's get going. Cool. Okay, what do I want to start with? Okay, so the first item are these Oak and Fort mom jeans. The rise on this is a high. Like, I feel like I remember my mom literally wearing jeans like this in the 90s. I believe they're a cropped length. They're super cute. They're a size small. They're just like a really trendy mom jean. They've got these really cute side pockets, and it looks like comps on these are about 15 to 30. And I think that someone who's really into that like mom jean style will really love these. So those are great. Next pair of jeans is a pair of Rag & Bone jeans. This is a really popular brand, and I actually just found my first Rag & Bone piece the other day. I found a Rag & Bone sweatshirt, and so I'm really excited to have found the jeans. So they've got the Rag & Bone tag here. These guys are a size 29, and they're in this really nice charcoal wash. Rag & Bone also has this little detail on the back pocket, so that can be a good way to spot it if you're in the thrift store. These are a skinny style. They're really lovely. They're really soft, which I'm really into. Excited to have found some Rag & Bone jeans. These guys, comps looks like they're about 35 to 60, which is awesome. I also found some Rag & Bone boots when I was at the thrift store, and I was so excited, but then the closer I looked at them, the more I realized that like the wear was just too much on them. It was kind of sad. Anyway, those are my first Rag & Bone jeans, which I'm really excited about. Next up, so this is a jacket from a brand called Hinge. Hinge is a new to me brand, but I'm pretty sure I heard about it on another reseller's YouTube. But I saw this jacket. It's kind of like a safari jacket in this army green, lots of pockets, the little button detail at the top. So this was designed in Seattle, and Hinge, I believe you can pick up at Nordstrom and Nordstrom Rack. But anyway, I thought this was a really great jacket, especially now we're getting ready to head into spring. So I'm starting to bring more jackets and blazers and things into my closet now in anticipation of people wanting to pick those things up for themselves. Anyway, love this jacket. It's a size medium, and yeah, I think it's a really like fun classic piece, and I really liked it. So there's that Hinge jacket. Comps on that, I couldn't find too much, but it looked like maybe like 35 to 45, which is great. This dress I picked up as soon as I saw this style because I just sold a dress in a sort of similar shift style. And so this brand is Everly, and there's nothing super fancy about this dress. I love dresses. I love fun patterns, and so I really like bringing that kind of stuff into my closet. And as I said, I just sold a dress that was kind of similar to this, and so as soon as I saw it, I was like, yes, I will pick that up. There's no size listed, there's no fabric content listed, but the other one, I think it was like size F from Korea, and so I just took some measurements, labeled it as a medium, and someone just purchased it. So I'm hoping that this dress will do the same, but I love this like navy and orange pattern, and I think this will be really cute for someone. I really love having dresses in my closet because I wear a lot of dresses, and so I love bringing that style into my closet as well. Okay, This is a beautiful, it's a 7 for All Mankind silk blouse. I love this like rich burgundy color. It's got these really beautiful blousy sleeves, like they're bell sleeves. It's absolutely beautiful. It's 100% silk. I couldn't find comps for it, but it looks like it originally retailed for about $120 US. So that is awesome. This is a size extra small. It's meant to be like an oversized fit. And I really love this style. 7 for All Mankind jeans do really well in my closet. And so I was excited to see a top from the brand. And I think this is really, really beautiful. I was on a Hinge roll, it seems, but I saw this sweater. It's an oversized waffly sweater. I looked up the brand because I felt it and it just felt really nice. What is the fabric content? I don't remember. It is nylon, viscose, wool, and cashmere. So really super soft. And I just love this like long style with like a skinny jean or leggings. And yeah, so that is this Hinge sweater. It looks like comps were about 20 to 30 on this. And I just think it's a great basic for someone's closet. And this is a size small. Ooh, yes. So this is another sweater. And I really liked the style on this, and I wasn't familiar with the tag. The brand is Angel of the North, and I found out this is an Anthropologie brand. Anthropologie has so many brands, some of which I'm familiar with as a buyer, some of which I'm gaining familiarity with as a reseller. So this one's new to me, but it's called Angel of the North. And this is another really pretty long sweater with this cowl neck in this like inky blue color. It's a size small, and I just thought it was really pretty. Long sleeve. What's the fabric on this guy? Hello. Oh, and it had like the little fabric skein attached, which is great. So this is cotton, acrylic, nylon, and spandex. I loved this sweater. I thought it was a great style, and I was happy to learn about another Anthro brand. And it looks like comps are about 25 to 45. They really range, but I think this one will do really well. When I first started thrifting, I found sweaters to be an intimidating part of the thrift store for me, because you never know what you're gonna get, and I find it a bit more difficult to go through a sweater and make sure that everything is good to go, and you know that there aren't any flaws. But I'm gaining more confidence with sweaters and I'm going into that section and I'm giving it a try, and if you are a reseller, I encourage you to do the same. And then when you bring things home, just like take a moment and really check it thoroughly to make sure that there aren't any holes or snags or anything that is out of sorts. This one is a Tallulah blazer. So Tallulah is an Aritzia brand. Tallulah, Babaton, Wilfred, all of those are Aritzia brands, and they're super popular on Poshmark Canada. Actually, I sold an Aritzia dress, like an oversized wool dress today in my closet. And yeah, I love picking up these pieces, and they make really great, beautiful basics. And so when I saw this blazer, I got really excited. It's a size 0, and I looked it up. It's called the Exeter blazer. But anyway, it's really pretty. It's got these buttons, and it's got buttons on the side. At the back, there's just like it's cute detail at the back. I really like this blazer. It's got a little bit of a shoulder pad, but nothing super crazy. And it looks like comps on this blazer are between 30 and 50, which is awesome. The last piece that I picked up, I'm not sure if I'm going to put it up in Poshmark or I'm going to keep it for myself. I'm going to try it on and see how I like it. But it's a Karine Rothfeld and Uniqlo jacket. They did a collaboration. And so Karine Rothfeld was the editor-in-chief of Vogue Paris. So she's a French fashion editor. Yeah, so they did a collaboration, and I love picking up stuff from collaborations because usually it's like limited, and then when I looked at the rest of her collection, I was like, ooh, this is so beautiful. Anyway, this is a really fun oversized jacket. It's like I don't know what this material is called, but it's fuzzy. So it's wool, acrylic, and polyester. But I just thought it was like a really great basic. This was also marked down a lot in the thrift store. It's got a bit of wear, and so if I'm going to put it up on Poshmark or if I'm going to wear it myself, I need to give it a little bit of love, but I just thought it was a really great piece. And what were comps on this? They're looking like 25 to 50, super big range, but as I said, might keep that for myself. Those are things I picked up. Oh, I also bought a pair of shoes, these Sam Edelman flats. but I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them because I found like a little flaw. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's just like an indentation in the leather. But they're a really great basic. They don't have a ton of wear on them. Anyway, I haven't decided yet. We shall see. This is why I check everything out when I get home. There you have it, my little haul. If you'd like to see more of these, leave me a comment down below. If you like this kind of content, I'd love for you to subscribe. If you'd like to see the behind the scenes of this kind of stuff, you can follow me over on Instagram. I'm AshleyDTL, and that is also my Poshmark closet name, and these listings should be up very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.